Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. On one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's get started. What's there for Taurians, please? Okay, so we have the Ten of Pentacles on your side, Taurians. So what's there on your person side? What's there on your person side? Let's see what's the cards are literally flying. Let's see. So let's see what's there on your person side, audience. Okay, but that's beautiful. On your person side, we have the Four of Wands. Most likely outcome. Oosh, the Nine of Swords. So you have the Ten of Pentacles on your side. So definitely you are in a committed relationship either, or at least looking for that. With the Ten of Pentacles being here and the Four of Wands being there, so it is something which is stable and long term. This relationship, you've really been together since a long time, the either or that is what you want. I'm saying that is what you want because the most likely outcome is the Nine of Swords. So I think I should go in for the clarifiers first before commenting. What is this? What is behind the scenes for this Ten of Pentacles for Taurians? What's behind the scenes for this Ten of Pentacles for Taurians? For the Ten of Pentacles, we have the Chariot, the Ten of Wands, Five of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles again. The Five of Pentacles. It's all Pentacles mostly. Two of Wands, the Nine of Cups. Let's see what's behind the scenes for this Four of Wands, please. Why is this Four of Wands there for? What's there for the Four of Wands, please? So for the we have the Death and Rebirth for the Four of Wands with the High Priestess, the Two of Swords, the Justice, so many major cards out there, with the Knight of Swords, and the Emperor, King of Swords, and the Hierophant. I think I'm talking to someone who is committed since a long time, and then we have the Ten of Swords here also, and we have the Ten of Wands there. So let's see what's there for the Nine of Swords as the most likely outcome. Why is this Nine of Swords there for? So we have the King of Cups, Ten of Cups, the Nine of Swords once again, Queen of Wands, Ace of Swords, the Hermit, the Devil, Four of Pentacles, what's going on here? Two of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Magician. Let's start reading. Let's see what it is actually. So with it, for the Ten of Pentacles, we have the Chariot. I'm just doing the cards because I don't want them to mix up over here. So just wait a minute. Please wait a second, please. I'm sorry for that, but I really don't want the cards to mix up. Okay, sorry for that. So for the Ten of Pentacles, we have the Chariot, the Ten of Wands, the Seven of Cups, Seven of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. So with the Chariot being there, things picked up pace very fast, or you have exited very fast from this relationship. See, what I feel here is either you people rushed into the relationship and something happened because of which you had to leave the situation. Okay, leave this relationship, sorry. So either with the Chariot being there as the first card, so it can be that was the mistake you committed, that you rushed in very fast towards this relationship. Okay, it can be that, and it didn't work out and you have to leave it for some reason. Or it can be that the decision of leaving this relationship has been very fast. It can be that also, for whatever the reason is. But yes, with the Chariot being there, immediately being followed by the Ten of Wands, I feel it's a rapid exit, a decision to move out of this situation. You just immediately made this decision to move out of this relationship, and you are feeling very upset also about it. Or obviously there must have been a reason to be upset. That is why you made a decision over here. And with the King of Pentacles being there, and the Ten of Pentacles, and Five of Pentacles, Two of Wands, this is what I feel is. And with the Five of Pentacles being there, with the Five of Cups here, what I feel is this is just being upset and having that nostalgia of the happy times you've spent with this person. And what I feel is with the Two of Wands and the Nine of Cups, perhaps you're waiting for this person still. That's what I'm getting. Though you have, maybe this was an impulsive decision, I don't know. But the decision of moving away from this relationship seems to be very fast for some reason. And now you walked away from this relationship, and this is the time which you are still, you still have that nostalgia. You are very depressed and upset though you have left, but I think you're waiting for them to be back or come to you. And this, because with the Nine of Cups, you know that this is your wish fulfillment. So either this relationship picked up pace very fast and something happened which you didn't like and something didn't work out and you had to leave this relationship, but you want them to be back. Or maybe the decision of leaving this relationship was very fast or impulsive, can be that. But um, but you are waiting for them to be back because you really have invested. You have been with this person since long. Okay, so it is a committed relationship, definitely. So obviously, you want them back. You're waiting for them to come and reconcile. And here with the Four of Swords, so obviously it is a family with the death and rebirth being there and the High Priestess. Death and rebirth, High Priestess, the Two of Swords, Justice, the Knight of Swords, Emperor, King of Swords, and the Hierophant. So definitely it is something is ending and a decision. This person is trying to make a decision over here. Okay, you want them back. Yeah. This person is trying to make up their mind with the Two of Swords, the Justice, and the High Priestess. This person is not uh, trying to balance the situation. They are listening to the inner voice with the Two of Swords and the Justice being there. What I feel is this situation has actually ended as for now, or it must have ended in the past, wherever you are placed in this relationship. Because I am yet to read the likely outcome, but yes, this relationship has ended at some point in time. Somebody has exited very fast with the High Priestess and the Two of Swords and the Justice being there. What I feel is that this person is trying to take a decision. They're listening to their intuition, trying to sort it out in some way. They are just trying to make up their mind as to what should be my next move, what should I do. With the Knight of Swords, the King of Swords, Knight of Swords, Emperor and the King of Swords, Hierophant and the Ten of Swords. This person also feels to be they have somebody has definitely rushed in very fast. What I feel here is with the Knight of Swords energy and the Chariot being there, there has been something which has been a rash or an impulsive movement, or maybe some impulsive thing has happened now. Not only about a decision for the relationship, but maybe something has happened. It's like maybe there has been some instant fight or something major has happened impulsively. But now with the King of Swords, this and the Emperor being there, Hierophant and the Ten of Swords, what I feel is there is some ego is still being there. This person is, the relationship seems to be at stake over here. I don't know why. That's what I feel. With the Ten, somebody seems to be done with this relationship. That's what I feel. And they also, I don't know. I see what I am getting here is till now that this relationship seems to be at stake over here. For whatever reason, I really don't see this person making a move towards you, though they may be trying to make up their mind. somehow they also feel like they are done with the situation, whatever this has happened between both of you. This person I really don't see making a move towards you as for now. According to these cards, they are also done with whatever it was, though they are trying to make up their mind as to what should I do. The relationship seems to have ended at this point in time. Okay, and they are also done with this hierophant. They are done with this commitment also. It's that is what they are feeling right now. Okay, let us see what is this. With the Nine of Swords, there is a lot of anxiety going on, definitely, perhaps on both the sides, because I really don't see anybody happy over here. Neither you, neither them. Maybe this has happened very acutely, and for that we have the King of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Nine of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Hermit. We have the High Priestess there and the Hermit there. Oh, we have the Devil, the Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Magician. So yes, there are feelings. It's not that there are not feelings. There are a lot of feelings. There are a lot of feelings regarding this commitment and this relationship, which is causing a lot of anxiety, perhaps because nobody is making a move. Both of you have left each other. Both of you are done with each other. Nobody is making a move towards the other person, and perhaps this person is actually waiting for the other person to come in and reconcile, and but this person is not doing that. That's what I feel, and that is what is the cause of anxiety. The Queen of Wands, the Ace of Wands, Hermit, Devil, the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Magician. So perhaps this is the energy which is picking up as like both of you want a new beginning, definitely, since it is the mutual. So both of you are wanting a new beginning, perhaps, but with the Hermit and the Devil, something has to be either with, see, with the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Magician. So with the Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups, there is still closing off, holding back, and indecision going on. Nobody is making up their mind. It's mutual, so I'm saying nobody is making up their mind. Nobody is making a move over here. Feelings are held to yourself. So even if you are wanting a new beginning with each other, I really don't see that anybody has moved on to the other person yet. But yes, they are done with the situation or the fight, whatever it was. They really sort of fed up that can't deal with it anymore. Okay, and with the Hermit being there, with the Devil, something here. But we have the Magician. So maybe in the near future, since both of you have this new beginning on your mind, both of you are realizing that it was a relationship which has its happy times. Both of you have invested in each other. The Hermit and the Devil, decision is not being made as for now. Maybe it is on the cards in the future, can be that, but something here needs to be corrected over here. Something here in this dynamics needs to be corrected with the Devil. That's what I feel. Something is, maybe both of you are being egoistic. Maybe that is what needs to be corrected. Let me see if I really have anything for more for Taurians. Okay, so for that, I just wanted to see what for the Devil and anything extra we have. That is the Eight of Wands, the Strength, the Page of Swords, and the Sun. Okay, ultimately we have the Sun. The Six of Cups is there. So yes, reconciliation may occur, as I said, because we have the Magician in the end. That is what is the positive sign in this reading till now. And with the Devil, as I said, perhaps both of you are not opening up. Maybe it is involving some sort of ego. None of you is budging to make a move, though both of you want. So that is what needs to be corrected. With the Hermit and the High Priestess is being there, both of you know deep within that this is the right thing. We have to reconcile. We should be together, but nobody is opening up. and making a move and still being confused and indecisive. Perhaps you are waiting for them, they are waiting for you, sort of. Okay, and with the magician, new beginning is there. Here we have the 8 of wands, the strength. So you need some strength to communicate, both of you. And if you are able to communicate, then obviously there is the sun, which is bringing happiness. With the 6 of cups, reconciliation, and the page of swords, and communication forward, and the clarity. So if you have the, you need strength to communicate. Okay, only then it will bring happiness and this reconciliation for this relationship with the page of swords. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.